Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can integrate React, TanStack, and also Vite from scratch. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to create our application using Vite letters, and then this is the name of your folder and also the template, and then press enter. Okay, after you press enter, you need to select your framework, and also I'm using React, and also I'm using TypeScript in this project, right? So after you have done creating the folder, what you need to do is you can follow the instruction. So cd to my Pokemon TypeScript, and then we can open the file. Alright, after you have opened your file, what you need to do is you need to install all the packages by npm install. Alright, after you have successfully installed your all the packages, we need to install our TanStack React query. So this is the command. Alright, so after you have installed the React query, what you need to do next is you need to go to your main.tsx, and then from here you need to import the required item. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to import the query client, because we need to wrap our application with it. Okay, so you need to import these two, query client and also query client provider. Okay, so alright, so the next thing that you need to do is you need to create a constant for your queries. So usually we put something QC, and then new query client, and just close like this. Okay, so next you need to wrap your application with the provider. Okay, so it's very similar to React provider, right? And then you need to pass in the client.qc. Okay, something like this. Okay, so after you have set up your query client provider in the main.tsx, so next what we can do is we go to app.tsx, and then I think we can delete all of this. Okay, so later we will display a post that we get from API. So next what you need to do is you can declare the type for the post, and then you can import the query. Okay, something like this. Alright, so next thing that you need to do is you can write a function to use the React query. So for example, function, and then you use a convention of React hooks, and then after that we return something like this. And then what you need to return is you have import the query, right? So you can turn the query, and then declare, so it's an array, and then you can close. And then the most important thing is the query key. So basically this query key is to detect either you need to fetch or not lah. So if this query key is changes, right, so it will do a refetch. If it's not changes, then it will not do a refresh. So next what we can do is um we can use back the function. So yeah, it will return a few things. It will return either data if everything is okay, and it will return error if it cannot be getting the network. And then its loading is meaning because of this is on client side, so it has its loading to actually doing the fetching. Okay, so we can do, okay, so if either this two is true, then we return the correct copywriting lah. Okay, so the final part is to see either our site is working properly or not. Okay, so after you have done creating all this code, so what you need to do is you can npm run dev. Okay, all right, so let me copy this URL and then paste in my browser. So basically you also can see the example from React example basic lah. Okay, so let's see. So it's loading. Alright, so now it return all the post lah. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, so because of our query key that, like I said, that it's not changing, so it won't refresh again. Alright, that's all from this tutorial. Thank you so much.